All right, so this is a review of all of our long vowel patterns, and I think this is the hardest lesson in this unit. This is from the Yellow Book, sort number 25. They do not even give you headers in this one. All they give you is those crazy letter spellings up there. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and cut those off for a second. And we're going to look at the words that we have here. So we have all of these words. We have the words wave, way, grind, dry, school, scene. When I look at these, I don't really see an easy way to sort them. I see all different vowels. Like I see a bossy E here, but then I don't see many other, oh, here's another bossy E maybe, but that's an A and that's an O. I see some double O's. I see an OA. I see that IGH in here. So I guess I could sort them by beginning sound. So I could put all the S's together. That might be something I'd try because I see a whole lot of S's and that would be pretty easy. I could sort them by that. But I know that this unit is on long vowel patterns. And I just want to remind you that A, E, I, O, and U are our vowels. And so they're talking about vowels that say A, E, I, those sounds. So I'm going to go ahead and put these headers up. This is a header I think that we know pretty well. I'm going to put an example of a word that might be a CVCE word, like the word kite. So that E makes that vowel say its name. Whether it's an I, A, whatever vowel this might be, it's going to make it say its name. Then we have the consonant, vowel, vowel, consonant. That means those are the words that have two vowels in the middle. So it might be like the word boat. It doesn't have to be an O and an A, but it's making that O say O. Then I have an example of a consonant, a vowel, and then two or more consonants. So when I look at that, I might look at like the word gold we had this week, I believe. Gold makes this as O and it has a consonant and two consonants behind. And finally we have that open syllable. We talked about those words like pie. So that has the two vowels at the end. Or that the words like, I guess we'll have to look and see. It's hard for me to think of one off the top of my head because these are so many different patterns. So we're going to go ahead and using some of those as our strategies. That doesn't mean that everything in the vowel consonant is going to have an OA in it. It means that those words are going to have two consonants that make some sort of long vowel. So there's going to be a lot of thinking in today's sort because we're really going to have to think about what letter pattern does that represent to make that long vowel. And that's all the things we've done over the last few weeks with this. So we really have to be thinking about it. I am going to start with wave. And wave's an easy one for me because I can see it has that silent E at the end and this A says A, wave. So that's an easy one. Bossy E's are one that I can find out. And maybe that's how I'll start. Maybe I'll look through my pile here and find all my bossy E's. Slide. Because sometimes when something's super challenging for me, I take time to like do what I know, zone. And then it leaves me with less words to sort through. And so I can be a little more intentional about what I'm sorting through. Clue. Actually, clue doesn't fit in here because it doesn't have that consonant. Oh, I better pull that off. I have to think about that one. I just saw that E at the end and thought, oh, it must go there. Scene. So again, I'm going to go with that. Then I'm going to start looking at what else I have here that I know I can make sense of in my brain. And I know that this IE also counts for a Y, I believe. And when it says OW, so this says O, this says A. Remember, all you're hearing is a vowel at the end. So I'm going to think about that. Like in crow. And that's where that clue would go because it doesn't have that extra consonant in it. So it just says U at the end. Lie. Ooh, dry, I hear a vowel at the end. Way, I hear a vowel at the end. And glow, I hear a vowel at the end. There might be more in here. I guess I'll come back. So now this one has 2 vowels in the middle, and this one has 1 vowel. So I'm going to look what I have left. Feast, I see 2 vowels in the middle saying the E sound. Soak, 2 vowels in the middle saying the O sound. Jail, 2 vowels in the middle saying the A sound. Grind, 1 vowel. Oh, that goes here because it's consonant, vowel, consonants. School, school. Oh, 2 vowels in the middle. Eek, shriek. 2 vowels in the middle that say that E. There's that EI that I think is so tricky. Sneak. Old. Oop, that only has 1 vowel, so that's going to go here. Again, notice 2 vowels, 1 vowel. So that's where it's going to give you, and then you'll see the difference. Suit. Suit. That one goes here. Oh, I hear just a vowel at the end and no other consonant, so that has to go here. Scene. Scene. Scene, this is like a scene in a movie. Where was that one? Right here. And this is like something you've seen in the past tense. And then the last 2 we have is way and light. Light is going to go over here because it has a vowel, consonant. Oh, I'm sorry, not over here. Oh my gosh, I meant here. A vowel, consonant, and then consonant, consonant. But then we have the word way, and even though GH is a consonant, it's not making any sound, so it's going to just say the A sound, so it's going to go over here. When you're all finished, go ahead and read that. Wave, slide, zone, scene, and that's like a scene in a movie. Feast, soak, jail, school, shriek, sneak, suit, scene. Like I saw something in the past. Grind, sold, light. Crow, clue, lie, dry. Way, glow, drew, way. So again, and this is like along the way, and this is how heavy something is. What does it weigh? So this sort is a super challenge this week. I challenge you to really be careful looking at what a vowel and a consonant is. And remember, these are your only vowels. So if they're making that sound and then they have a consonant behind them, and a consonant is anything that is not one of those letters. Good luck.